This is the website that we are going to make today. In this website we have the navigation bar. In navigation bar we have a logo, then navigation links with the hovering effect, then a sign in button. Okay, moving further, we have a hero section. This is the hero section. In hero section we have these things with some buttons, then this, then a sticky navigation bar. This is the gallery. This is the style section. These are the testimonials. This is the form part, and this is the footer. Okay, this is the complete responsive website that we are going to make today. Okay, this is complete responsive. As you can see, this from moving this to moving this to moving this. As you can see, a complete responsive website. Okay, let me show you this. I have created this pop-up in which the navigation bar is open. Then we can see this, and it is also complete responsive. As you can click the products, it will move to the product section. Contact, it will move to the contact section. Home, it will move to the home section. Okay, now close it, remove it. Again, product section, it will move to the product sections. About us section, it will move to the about us section. Contact to contact section, and this is the complete website. As you can see, smooth scroll, sticky navigation, about us section, our advantages, experiences, trends, style, testimonial, form, and our footer. Okay, this is the complete responsive website that we have created today. Okay, you can see this will move to the products part, this will move to the contact part, this will move to the about us part, this will move to the home part. Okay, this is the complete responsive website that we have created today. Thank you. Now let's move to the code. In code we have index.html, main CSS folder, main CSS folder, and for the JavaScript folder or file, and you can open it and close it by clicking here. In index.html file we have the basic structure. First of all, doc type HTML language, English, statistics, name, and here we have connected the HTML file with the main CSS file, and these are the Google Forms. You can check them or download them from the Google, and this is the title, baglandingpage hussaincoders, and this is the title, baglandingpage hussaincoders. Okay, now before we move further, here's something I have to tell you before. This is the main CSS file, and this is the JavaScript file. Main CSS file. In the main CSS file I have some media queries. As you know, this is the complete responsive website, and for the complete responsiveness I have to use some media queries. So for this purpose I have used some media queries for the smallest, small, medium, large and largest fonts. I have told you before, I have used the poppins and in the sans serif way. Some colors, color white, color black, color primary, color secondary, text color, gray light color, heading color and footer. To center our content we are going to use a class with the name of row. For this, maximum width to 114 and margin to 0 and auto. Here I have used the media query for responsive website. Okay. For the basic styling, I have unordered list style to none, anchor to text decoration to none, color to color text, image to maximum width to 100% and height to auto, headings h1, h2, h3, h4 and h5 to color heading, upper text to text transform to uppercase and text center to text line to center. Center text to text line to center. And for the basics, before and after, margin to 0, padding to 0, box sizing to inherit. For the HTML, font size to 62.5%, box sizing to border radius, border box sizing to border box and overflow X to hidden. And here I have used some media queries also for the large, medium, small and smallest. For the body, font family to font primary, font weight to 400, color to color text, inline to 1.6, line height to 1.6 and overflow to hidden. And our header starts here. We have some other sticky navigation. These are the sticky navigation. I will explain them later to you. This is the sticky navigation. And then hero section. Heading stars. I have some headings here in this website. For that I have different or separate heading buttons, different button styles, and then count section and further section. Count section, about section, advantage section, reliable stars here, and then section style and testimonial, form section and footer. These are the some sections that I am going to describe later. And now let's begin to the let's move to the header part. This is the header. Okay, this is the header part. Okay, starts from here and here. In this header part we have logo, some navigation keys and a sign in button. Okay, this is the header part or the navigation part of the website. Header part or the navigation part of the website. Let's move to the code. As header starts here, header starts from here and ends here. Okay, in the header, class with the name of header, div class with the name of logo, and we have logo here. Navigation class with the main nav, unordered list class with the main nav list, and in the list class with the main nav item, and anchor point with the class of main nav link. And in the anchor points we have products, about us, contact, and a button, main nav link, main nav CTA button with the name of sign in. Exactly, we have same thing here. Okay, home, products, about us, contact, and the sign in button. Exactly like home, products, about us, contact, and sign in button. After the sign in button we have two buttons, menu outline and close outline. These will be appear here when we inspect it, and these are the buttons, menu outline and close outline. Okay, this is the menu outline, close outline. These are the buttons we are talking about. It will be appeared when the responsiveness of the website is shown. Okay, these are the buttons. Let's move to the style check. For the header part, header background color to color black, display to flex, align item to center, justify content to space between, and padding to 0 and 6 run. And the sticky header, as you can see, I have told you before, this is the sticky header. Okay, we will come there later, but height to 9.6 mm and the index to 9999. For the logo, this is the logo part. Let me close it here. This is the logo part. For the logo, font size to 2.4 mm, color to color black, cursor to pointer, and font weight to 700. Main name, this is the main name. Okay, for the main name, I have used the media query. Position to absolute, top to 0, left to 0, width to 100%, height to 100, VH, background color to RGB, color primary 0.9, VH, viewport height. Okay, display to flex, align item to center, justify content to center, transform to translate X to 100%, transition all to 0.5 seconds. Okay, opacity to 0, visibility to hidden, and pointer events to none, and the index to 9999. For the list, as you know, this is the list. This and this is the list. Display to flex, gap to 6 mm, align item to center, and I have used the media query here as well. Flex direction to column, gap to 3 mm, and text line to center. For the links, these are the links, separate links, this link, this link, this link, and this link. Okay, for the links, display inline block, color to black, font size to 1.8, as you can see color is black, font size to 1.8 rem, transition all to 0.2 seconds, while hovering effect to color scanning. You can see this is the hovering effect in these links. Okay, for the CTA, call to action button, padding to 0.5 rem and 2 rem, border to 1 pixel, solid color black, box shadow to 0, 1.1 rem, 0.2 rem, RGB to color black to 0.7, background color to color black, color to color white, transition all to 0.5. And for the hovering effect, background color to color secondary, color to color white, border to 1 pixel and solid, color secondary, and color to color black. For this call to action button, and you can see the shadow appears here, the background color changes, and exactly like the color changes. Okay, this is the call to action button with the hovering effect too. Okay, now further moving to the open nav, main nav link. As you can see, and I have told you before, open nav and main nav are used for this purpose. Okay, as you can see here, nav open, nav closed. Here you can see nav open and nav closed. Okay, like this when we click this button, and this is the style that we are going to make now. For the nav open, icon mobile navigation, name close outline, display to block, and menu outline, display to none. This is the close outline and this is the menu outline. Okay, as you can see, menu and close. Okay, for button mobile navigation, border to none, background color to none, cursor to pointer, display to none, and I have used the media query, display block, and the index to 9999. Icon mobile nav, as you can see, font size to 4.8 rem, color to black, and icon mobile close outline to display to none. These were the icons I have used from the main icon, menu outline and close outline. These are the icons that I have used for this purpose. Okay, as you can see, this will be open, close here, and open here. Now further moving to the main CSS, as I have told you before that I am going to display you the sticky navigation bar. I have told you. For this purpose, JavaScript make mobile navigation work. As you can see, for the navigation, close it, make it this for the navigation purpose. As you can see, inspect it here, header open, you can see it here, header open, header close. Okay, for this purpose we have used the JS query, JavaScript, document to query selector to button mobile navigation, query selector to dot header element. In the button nav element, add element event listener, click to function, and header element class list to toggle nav open. Okay, for this purpose, this opening and closing. We have used a JavaScript for this opening and closing purpose. Okay. Further moving to the sticky navigation, as you can see, this sticky navigation, let me close it. This sticky navigation here and this sticky navigation on the website. For this purpose, we have used the constant section hero element 1 document to query selector to hero, OBS to new intersection observer function to entries and entries to 0, console.log to entry. If entry is intersecting is equal to false, then document body class list add to sticky. If entry intersecting is equal to true, then document body class list remove sticky. Okay, in the viewpoint, root to null, threshold to 0, and root margin to -80 pixels. OBS to dot observer to section hero element. Okay, this was for the sticky note. But moving further for the scroll reveal, as you can see, for the scroll reveal, origin to top, distance to 60 pixels, duration to 2500, and delay to 400. And for all of these, you can see for all of these things. Okay, as you can see, source reveal for heading, primary, secondary, tertiary, hero, text box, hero image, button dark, button light, and everything further. Okay, for the smooth scroll, variable scroll is equal to new to smooth scroll, anchor href to all, and speed to 900. Okay, now further moving back to the hero section. Hero section, this is the hero section that we are going to make now. This is the hero section, the heading, the paragraph, some buttons, then again some description and an image. Okay, in the hero section, as you can see, hero section starts from here and ends here. Okay, I have used some images here that you can check here. These are the images, or these are the images that I am going to use here. Okay, let me close it, and now close it too. So in the hero section, the class with the name of hero, class with the name of hero, as I have told you before, the row we have used to center our content. This is the class of hero that we have used to center our content. Okay, further moving, class with the name of hero content, div class with the name of hero text box, and heading class with the name of heading primary. Okay, carry what, break with source view. Break we have used for this purpose. You can see there is a break. Okay, heading 1 close, paragraph, class with the name of hero text box, para, and here is some paragraph, anchor point, class with the name of button dark, order now, this is the button dark. Okay, this was the para, and again a button light, explore mode, this is the light button, explore mode. Okay, now further moving to the text box flex, or text box, class with the name of hero text box flex, class with the name of hero text box flex left. As you can see, this is the left portion. Okay, and class with the heading tertiary. This is the tertiary heading that we are going to use. Material, and as you can see, material, tertiary heading. Again, this will also be a tertiary heading. And class with the name of hero text box flex left para, there is some para, and class hero text box flex right, heading tertiary to finishing. Again, para class with the name of hero text box flex right para, there is para class with the name of hero text box flex right para, and here is some text. Para is closed, div is also closed, and we have we have done both in a div with the name of class with the name of hero text box flex. As you can see, we are going to use the flex and then divide them into two sections with the same heading and same left and right para. Okay. Further moving, div class with the name of hero image and image source with the class of hero image footer. Then we will close the section. And further moving, as you can see. As you can see in the hero section, we are going for the class of hero padding to 10 run, 0, 0 and 0 and content to display to flex as I have told you before, and use some media query here. For the text box, flex to 0, 0 and 50% and all but not the last set with the margin bottom to 2.5 run, para to font size 1.6 and flex to display to flex as I have told you before. I am going to display them into the flex. Okay, into the flex margin top to 4 m, left and right para to font size 1.4 m and right para to padding 0, 0 and 2 viewport width and para to font size to 1.4 m, and here is it is closed. As you can see, this is the left and this is the right. Image to flex to 1, transform to translate 10 rand and minus 10 rand and index to 1, and here I have used some media query here and I don't use uploader, then we can delete it here like this. Okay, further moving, as this is what you can see our header, hero section. This is our hero section that we have created by using HTML and CSS with some Java query. Further moving in the section count starts here, as you can see, this is the count card, this is the count card, this is the count card. Okay, count section starts from here and ends here. For this purpose, class to count section, class with the name of count, and div class with the name of row, div class with the name of count content, and class with the name of count experience, class with the name of count experience number 15 plus, and here we are going to start this. Okay, and in the count experience we are going to have 1 and 2 divs in the count experience. Div class with the name of count experience text, and here is some text. Then further moving, class with the count customers, as you can see these are the customers. In the count customers, div class with the name of count customer content, class with the name of count customer content left, and class with the name of count customer number. For this is the left portion and this is the right portion. Okay, 1 million, as you can see 1 million, and div class with the name of count customer text and happy customers, as you can see happy customer, this is the text. And further moving, div class with the name of count customer content right. Now we are moving to the right portion, this portion, and class count customer number, you can see view here and view here. Further moving, div with the class of count customer line, as you can see this is the line, and for the line we have used n and nbsp. Okay, this line we have used, and close the div, this div and this div. In this div we have both left and right portion. Okay, further moving, div class with the name of count store. Now we are moving to this portion, class with the name of count store number, and you can see 95, and close the div class with the name of count store text, and here is the text, and close the div. As you can see this div is closed. Further moving, close this div and close the section here. This was the some simple count numbers. Okay, Now further moving to the main CSS portion. Further moving the count section, class of count padding to 0, 0, 10 and 0 and content to display to flex and gap to the 2 and experience to the flex 0, 0 and 25%, background color to color primary, color to color gray light and padding to 1 and 2 As you can see, this is the experience. So this is the experience. Okay. Further moving to the number font size to 2 and font weight to 600. Text to font size to 1.6 and text transform to uppercase. Then further moving to customers, flex to 0, 0 and 50%, background color to color standard, padding to 1 and 2 content to content, display to flex left and right. Now here we are left to flex 0, 0 and 50%, right to flex 0, 0 and 50% and text line to right. For the number and number is in customers, number font size to 2.8 and font weight to 600. For the text, these are the numbers. Okay, these are the numbers. Yes. As you can see, numbers, I have used the number here. Okay, 1 million and text to font size to 1.6 and text transform to uppercase and font weight to 600. For the line, width to 100%, height to 4 pixel and background color to color text. This is the line. Okay, this is the line. It is not going to highlight, I think so, but this is the line. And moving further, store to the flex to the 0, 0 and 25%. This is the store we are talking about. This background color to color primary, color to color gray light, padding to 1 and 2 number to font size to 2.8 font weight to 600, text to font size to 1.6 and text transform to uppercase. As you can see, a button dark and button light. I have told you I have separate section for them. For the button to display line block, padding to 1 and 3 transition on to 0.3 seconds and box shadow to 0, 2.5 0.4 RGBA to color black and 0.7 opacity. For the dark button, as you can see, this is the dark button. Background color to color text, color to color gray light, font size to 1.6 march and height to 1.5 and for the holding effect, background color to color scanning and color to color text as you can see for the black button. And for the moving for the light button, as you can see there are two buttons, dark button and light button that we have used. For the light button, background color to gray light, color to color text and font size to 1.6 and more. Then the more button that we are going to use, padding to 0, border to none. I will show you again when we use the extra button, but let's continue from here. Box shadow to none, font size to 1.6 and color to color standard, font weight to 600, text transform to uppercase, transition all to 0.2 and for the holding effect, color to color primary. As I have told you before, sorry, as we are going to use separate heading portion, and that I have here heading. For the heading primary, font size to 6 color to color heading, font weight to 600 and line height to 1. Heading tertiary to font size to 2 color to color heading, font weight to 800 and text transform to uppercase. And heading secondary to font size to 5 color to color heading, font weight to 600 and line height to 1. And for the form that we are going to use further here, this is the form that we are going to use. For the form, color is color white. As you can see, this is the white color. Okay. Now further moving to the next part. Our next part was this was our next part. Okay. In this next part we have about section. Okay. About section starts from here and ends here. In the about section we have a heading, a picture, some paragraph and a button. Okay. Learn more button. This button is exactly looks like more button. I think so this is going to be a more button. So let's begin. Section class with the name of about, class with the name of row, as we are going to use the row to center our content. Class with the name of about content. Class with the name of about photo, that we are going to use the photo. Image with the source of image, that you can see here. And class with the name of about photo image. Okay, the div is closed here. Now further div is this. Class with the name of about text. Class with the name of heading secondary. As I have told you before, we have used 3 headings: heading primary, secondary and tertiary. And here is some heading: paragraph. Class with the name of about text para with some paragraph here. And anchor point with the class name of button more, that this is the button more. Okay, further moving, we have photo, about photo, this is the photo. Okay, these are the photo that we are going to place here too. Sorry, in the learn more and have some RARR. This you can see this portion. This is RARR. Okay, right arrow. Okay. Further moving, class with the name of about photo, photo 3 and photo 4 with the name of bag, and class with the name of photo, about photo image. And we are going to close this div and this div. The section part is going to be closed. Okay. And moving to the style sheet. Further moving to the about section. About, padding to 10 rem and 000, content to display to grid template, column to bit, auto fit to maximum, minimum 50 rem and 1 FR. You can change it according to your need. Photo to image, maximum width to 100% and maximum height to 90%. Text to padding 1 VW, 0, 5 VW, 0. VW viewport width, There are 2 font size to 1.4 rem, padding to 2.5 rem. And 5 VW, 5 rem and 0. Okay, the section ends here. Our advantage is in this section. As you can see, this section starts from here and moves here. In this section, we have a heading and then an icon, its name and some paragraph about it. Then we are going to copy this whole part and paste it here and here. Okay, for this purpose, section class with the name of advantages, class with the name of row, we are going to use the row to center our content. Heading, class with the name of heading secondary, as I have told you before, center text, upper text. And then div, class with the name of advantages content. In the div, class with the name of advantages content, item advantages, content item number 1. This is the first item that we are going to use. Okay, div starts from here and ends here. In this first. Okay, in this we have an pine icon that I have used. Then class with the name of advantages content, item 1 icon, name our item outline. Okay, class with the name of heading tertiary, advantages content, item 1 or heading. Then paragraph, class with the name of advantages content, text advantages content, item 1 text. Okay, then here is some text. Then div is closed. Okay, as you can see, this is a complete div in which we have used the icon, the name and some paragraph. Icon, the name and some paragraph. Then what are we going to do? We are going to copy it and place it 2 times, like this and like this. Again, simply item 2, we are going to change only the item 2. We are going to change the icon with the bus outline, change its name, change its heading here and some text. And exactly like this, we are going to change the name here, icon name, cache outline to some heading and then paragraph. Okay, now further moving to the style sheet. Advantages, padding to 10 rem and 0, content to display to grid. We have displayed it into the form of a grid. Template, grid template column to repeat, autofit to minimum maximum 25 rem and 1 FR, grid gap to 3 rem and grid margin top to 4 rem. For the items, padding 1 VW to 0, viewport width, text line to center, all but not the last child, margin bottom to 2 rem. Okay, and for the one, we are going for the first part. One background color to color primary. This is the dark gray color for the icon. Font size to 4M and color to color secondary. As you can see, this is the type we are talking about. Heading to color secondary, text to color secondary. For tools, for the second portion, color background to secondary, color secondary, icon to for the second portion. Now we are talking about icon to font size to 4M, color to color primary, heading to color primary and text to color primary. For the third, background color to color primary. As you can see, third and first are exactly like same. Icon to font size 4M, color to secondary, heading to color to secondary and text to color to secondary. For the icons, font size to 4M and text font size to 1.6M. Then further moving to this section, and what we have named it, we have named it reliable starts here. Reliable section. In reliable section we have this reliable section. We have some heading, some paragraph, then some numbers, definition, numbers definition, and a picture. Exactly like this, we have a picture, some heading, some paragraph, and a button, explore more button. Okay, now reliable button. Starts from reliable section, starts from here and ends here. Okay, in this section class with the name of reliable, class with the name of row that we are going to center our content, class with the name of reliable content, class with the name of reliable content 1. As you can see, there are two portions, first portion and second portion. Okay, H2 or heading, class with the name of heading secondary, and there is some heading, class, paragraph, class with the name of reliable content 1 para with some paragraph. Div, class with the name of reliable content 1 count. Div, class with the name of reliable content 1 count 1, and class reliable content 1 count number. Okay, the div starts from here and ends here. As you can see, count number 1, count number 2, count number 3. Okay, count number 1, count number 2, and count number 3. And these counts will be exactly like same. Start from here and ends there like this. We are going to copy it. In count 1, count number, count text, and the div is closed. Okay, like this. You can see this div. We are going to copy this div and place it 1 time and 2 times. Okay, and we are going to change the numbers, the text, again count numbers and the count text. Then we will close the div, this div, in which content counts are present. Then this was the portion. Moving further, content to reliable content to class with the name of reliable content to image source. I have used the image, you can see, and the class reliable content to image. Okay, you can see this image. Now further moving to the div class reliable content 3 image. As you can see, class with the name of reliable content 3 image. Further moving div class with the name of reliable content 4, class heading secondary. Here is some heading, paragraph class with the name of reliable content 4 para. Here is some paragraph, and anchor point with the name of class button dark explore more. As you can see, this is the dark button. Okay, dark button was exactly like this button. Okay, that we have created before. We are again using it here. Okay, close the div and again close the div and section. Now moving back to the reliable section. In the reliable, class and content to display to grid, display a temple column to repeat, auto fit, minimum maximum 45 nm and 1 for first content or first count padding to 5 VW, 2 VW, 00 VW, viewport width for the para font size to 1.6 mm and margin to 4 mm and 0. Again count to display to flex, gap to 3.4 m and numbers to font size to 4 m, font weight to 800 and text to the font size to 1.6 m. Okay, this is the first portion that we are talking about in this portion. Okay, now further moving to second portion, image to image width to 100% and maximum height to 90%. This is the image that we are talking about, and third portion is image maximum width to 100% and height to 90%. This is the image that we are talking about. Now further moving to fourth part, padding to 5 VW, viewport width 00 and 3 VW, viewport width for the para font size to 1.6 m and margin to 4 m and 0 m. This. Okay. For the explore more button, I have told you before, we are using this exactly same button, and I have told you before its style. Let me tell you again. Dark button, here you can see dark button. Okay, for the dark button, for the button display to 9 block, padding to 1 rem and 3 rem, transition all to 0.3 seconds, box shadow to 0, 2.4 m, 0.4 m, RGB to color black to 0.7, opacity dark to color, background color to color text, color to color daylight, font size to 1.6 m, margin right to 1.5 m. For the hoovering effect, background color to color secondary and color to color text. Okay, now this is the dark button. Further moving to our style portion, this is the heading and first, second, third and fourth. We are only going to, and here is first card, second card, third card and fourth card. We are going to only make the first card, then copy it and place it 3 times. In the first card we have an image, some name, some stars, and then paragraph and add to cart black button, exactly like this button. You can see this button. Okay, now moving back to the code. In style section class with the name of style, class with the name of row to center our content, heading class with the name of heading secondary to center our text and upper text and some name, div class with the name of style content. Then this div starts from here, class style content item. In this we have an image, as you can see an image, then name, then some stars, then some paragraph or description, then add to cart button. Further moving, the image source with the class name of style content item bag, class with the name of heading tertiary, the name, then moving further, div class with the name of style content item flex. Okay, icon that we are going to use, this is the icon, this star icon, class with the name of style content item flex star, name star, mine icon that I have told you before that I have used mine icon, then div class with the name of style content item flex number, then div is closed, then paragraph with the name of class with the name of style content item para, then some paragraph, then anchor point, class with the button dark, add to cart. Then in this whole div, the div is closed. In this whole div we have an image, then some heading, then content. The content is star, the number and a paragraph, then add to cart. And then we are going to copy this and place it 1, 2 and 3 times. Okay, then close the div and close the section. Coming back to the style sheet, we are going further to the style, class of style, padding to 5 rem, 0, 10 rem and 0, and content to display to the grid. As you can see that we have been in the grid, in the form of grid. Grid template column repeat to autofit to minimum maximum 25 rem and 1 FR. Grid gap to the 3 rem and margin top to the 8.5 rem. For the items, as you can see, item exactly like this. Sorry. For the item, text line to center, box shadow to 0, 1.1 rem, 2 rem, RGBA, color gray light to 0.7. Okay. This is the box shadow and items that we are talking about. Okay. Padding to 2 and 0 and 2 VW, viewport width. The flex of display to flex, gap to 0.5 rem, align item to center, justify content to center. And star, I have told you before, this image, this name, this star, this price or number, this description and this add to cart button. Okay. Now moving back to star, font size to 2.5 rem and color to color scandy, number to font size to 1.8 rem, font weight to 800 and para to font size to 1.4 rem and margin to 1.5 rem and 0. And this will be applied into the other three portions too. Now moving further to the testimonial part. In testimonial part we have the heading, then exactly like that we are going to have a card with a name or with an image, then some name, some description, star, number and some paragraph. Exactly like this but in this form. Okay. And then we will copy this and paste it 2 times. Now moving back to the testimonial part. Testimonial part starts from here. Starts from here and ends here. In testimonial part we are going to class section, class with the name of testimonial, class with the name of row to center our content, heading, class with the name of heading secondary, upper text and text center text to center our text to upper our to transform our text to the uppercase with some heading. Div class with the name of testimonial content, div class with the name of testimonial content items. Okay. Now this is the div that we are going to copy and paste it several times. It starts from here and ends here. In this div we have class testimonial content item flex, image, again image, the name, some description, star, number and some paragraph. Okay. For the image, source of image we have class testimonial, class with the name of testimonials content, item flex image, div class with the name of testimonial content item flex person, div with the class of testimonial content item flex person name, and div class with the testimonial content item flex person. This is the same thing. Okay. Name, location, as you can see this is the portion that we are going to copy again and again, name and location. Then further moving forward to the star, class style content item star flex, item flex star and item flex number. Moving further to testimonial content item text. This is the div that we are going to copy it and place it 2 times, paste it 2 times, then close the div and close the section. Moving back to the testimonial part. In the testimonial class, padding to the 10 rem and 0 rem, background color to RGBA, color secondary and 0.05. Okay. Content. Okay. This was the testimonial. Content to display to the grid, Grid template column to repeat auto fit minimum maximum 25 rem and 1 FR. Grid gap to 3 rem and margin top to 8 rem. For the item box shadow, as you can see, this is the content and this is the item. For this purpose, we are going to use the shadow. You can see here a light, a faint shadow. For item box shadow to 0, 1.1 rem, 1.5 rem, RGB color black and 0.2, border radius to 0.9 rem, padding to 2VH and 1.5 VW, viewport height and viewport width, background color to color white, flex and flex display to the flex, line item to center, cap to 2 rem, and for the image width to 6 rem and height to 6 rem and border radius to 50%. For the person's name, font size to 1.4 rem and font weight to 800. For the location, font size to 1.1 rem and font weight to 800. And for the text, font size to 1.4 rem and margin up to 2 rem. Then further moving to the newsletter section or our form section. Okay, in the form section starts from here and ends here. In the form section we have heading and then button and this portion. Form section, class with the name of row, class with the name of form content. In the form content we have class with the name of heading secondary form. This is the content with the break, as you can see the heading with the break. Then moving further, we have the input, type email, class, form content, input, placeholder, enter your email. In the div, class with the name of form content icon, you can see this is the icon we are talking about. And in the icon, class with the name of form content icon arrow with the name of arrow forward. Okay, then close the div, this div 2 and this div again, then close the section and close the main. Okay, the main was started here. Okay, here. Now only the footer is left. We can open it, close it as we want. Then moving forward to the form section, form padding to 10 rem, 0, 15 rem and 0. For the content, background color to color black, padding to the 8 rem and 5 VW, display to the flex, align item to the center, justify content to the space between, border radius to 2 rem, and I have used the media query here. For the input, as you can see this, for the input, padding to 2 rem and 6 rem, border to none, outline to none, border radius to 0.9 rem. For the icon, for this icon, transform to translate x minus 10 rem. For the arrow, font size to 6 rem, color to color white. For before content, empty content, width to 50 rem, height to 50 rem, border radius to 50%, background color to green, top to 0 and left to 0. Then moving further to the footer, this is the footer. Okay, moving further to the footer. In the footer we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. Okay, and one our logo and some description or paragraph. Then we are going to create this and copy it several times, like 1, 2 and 3 times. Okay, moving to the footer section. In the footer, class of footer, class row to center our content. In the footer, class footer content, footer items with the logo, with the text, with the logo and with the text. Okay, then moving further, in the div section we are going to copy this div and paste it 3 times. Class footer item, class with the name of footer list, and in the footer list unordered list. Okay, in the footer list items we are going to use an anchor point with the class footer item, footer link main, with the main product link with the computer. This is the main link products. Then further going to the footer link computer, footer link to internet, link to the laptop, link to the cables, and link to the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi. Then we are going to copy this whole div and paste it 3 times, 1, 2 and 3 times. We are only going to change main link's name and link's name. Other than that, nothing is going to be changed. Then moving back to the style sheet, footer, background color to the color black. As you can see, this is the black color. Okay. Then padding to 10 rem and 0, color to color of footer, and content to display grid, grid template column to repeat, autofit, minimum maximum 22 rem and 1 FR. I have used the media query here for the logo, font size to 3.2 rem, color white and margin bottom to 2 rem. This is the logo. Further moving for the text below the logo, font size to 1.4 rem for the item that we don't use. For the list, all but not the last child, margin bottom to 2.5 rem, and we don't use the item here. Then for the link, font size to 1.6 rem, color to color footer, transition all 0.3 seconds. For the hovering effect, as you can see, this is the hovering effect. You can see the hovering effect. Color to color secondary, for the main, font size to 2.6 rem and color to color white. And I have told you before, for the JavaScript, this is the main CSS file and this is the HTML file. Okay, and this is the website that today we have created. If you want any changes according to the video, please let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.